Hello and welcome to the MCQ lecture series. In the previous classes, we have seen MCQs for semester 1, which is FYBA Indian Economic Environment course, and in this class I'll be talking about the semester 2 syllabus for FYBA. So let's get started. The first MCQ is talking about service sector is also known as what, or service sector is alternatively known by which name. So MCQ can be in this fashion, and let us look at the underlying options available to us. The service sector is also known as option A, primary sector, option B, industrial sector, option C, tertiary sector, option D, none of the above. So here primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. Secondary sector is also called as industrial sector, primary sector is also called as agricultural sector. So this is how you can solve this MCQ if you know all the three. So here the correct answer for service sector is tertiary sector, and therefore option C is the correct option. Yeah, so please look at what the question is demanding and then solve the MCQs. You have to underline certain, or you have to make sure that you remember certain keywords in the MCQ. Let us now move to the next MCQ, which is talking about which of the following is a part of service sector. Now here I am looking at certain examples which are looked at whenever we study service sector or whenever we study primary sector or industrial sector, and here which is a part of, which of the following is a part of service sector, and the underlying options available to us are A, agriculture, B, manufacturing, C, transport or transportation, and last is all of these. So here agriculture is relating to primary sector, manufacturing is related to industrial sector, and transport is related to service sector or tertiary sector. So here the correct option is transport or transportation. Let us now move to the next MCQ. The next MCQ is looking at the share of certain sectors towards the gross domestic product. So whenever you look at or for that matter in the sectoral contribution in India, then we have certain options, and here I am looking at the share of service sector to be very precise. So here the question is very specifically asked to us, what is the share of service sector in India, and the underlying options are whether it is the largest in India, whether it is the smallest in India, whether it is negligible, or none of the above. And the correct answer here is the share of service sector is largest in India, and therefore option A is the correct answer. Let us now move to next question, which is talking in terms of share or contribution towards the gross domestic product, and here I am looking at what is the contribution of service sector, or which or for that matter which sector contributes largest to the gross domestic product, whether it is primary, whether it is secondary, whether it is tertiary, or none of the above. So here again a contribution or sectoral contribution sort of a question, and here I am looking at contributes most. So the keyword is the largest contributor to the gross domestic product or GDP, and here the correct option is tertiary sector. So this is how you can solve an MCQ with underlying keywords as well as certain words which are giving you more details with respect to the question. So here there are two important words. First was the contribution of service sector or for that matter the contribution of any sector towards GDP, and here I am looking at the most contribution, the largest contribution, and here the correct answer is service sector or tertiary sector. So this is how you solve MCQs. Let us now move to the next MCQ. Here I am looking at an arrangement sort of a question. Arrange the following sectors according to their contribution in GDP. Means largest contributor should be first and the smallest should be last. And the underlying options are, option A is talking about service sector contributes the largest, then we have industrial and agriculture. That means in this sign is talking about greater than. So service sector is greater than industry is greater than agriculture, that is the first option. Second is service sector is greater than agriculture and agriculture is greater than industry, that is the second option. Third is agriculture is the greatest, then we have industry, and then we have service, and then none of the above. So here the correct answer is, I am looking at the sectoral contribution in GDP, and we have seen in the previous MCQ that it was the service sector, therefore service sector is at the largest in these 2 points or these two options. And if you know that industry is contributing more towards GDP than agriculture, then you will see that option A is the correct answer, which is talking about service sector, then we have industrial sector, and then agricultural sector. Let us now move to the next MCQ, which is talking about, it is a not sort of a question, and here I am looking at e-commerce platforms. So the question goes like this: which of the following is not an e-commerce platform in India? E-commerce platform, and the options are Amazon, Flipkart, IndiaMart, and Nile. So Amazon, it is there. Flipkart is again very popular. Then you have IndiaMart and Nile. IndiaMart is also there in Indian context, but you do not have Nile. This is the name of a river. So this is not an e-commerce platform in India. Let us now move to the next MCQ in this session. This is the last MCQ. I'll be recording one more video with respect to MCQ, so please stay tuned for that. The last MCQ in this session is: a bank is a financial institute that accepts what? Accepts A, deposits, B, letters. Both option C is talking about both A and B, that is deposits as well as letters, and option D is talking about, this is option C and this is option D. Option D is talking about none of the above. So here the correct answer is: a bank is a financial institution that accepts deposits, and therefore A is the correct answer. So this is how you solve MCQs. You have to make sure that you read certain keywords and then you give importance to certain words like most, then the sectoral contribution like GDP, like arrange them from largest to the smallest, and all of that. So please stay tuned for more. Thank you.